Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this MK7.5 GTi in for a bunch of handling and braking upgrades. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, and you won't miss any of our new videos when they go live. So on this particular GTi, it's a non-performance pack model. The customer's just picked it up and he wants to basically upgrade it, upgrade the handling and the braking for sort of fast road use without increasing the power. So he's going for Wavetrac LSD. Obviously this car doesn't have the ELSD from the performance pack, so it's just got the open diff, so that's going to be a massive improvement. I'm going for the VWR springs, so lower the ride height down and then improve the handling. He's also got some OZ wheels, some Eibach anti-roll bars, and then also the Racingline BBK. So improving all aspects of handling and also the braking and the look of the car as well. Yeah, so we're going to get the car into the workshop and hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're in the workshop. We've got the MK7.5 GTi on the ramps, and we've got all the parts laid out in front of us except from the Racingline big brake kit. We're just waiting for that to arrive, so later on in the video we'll be unboxing that and show you that brake kit. But for now, we've obviously got the OZ Ultraleggera wheels with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Super Sport, so like a nice sort of like road bias tyre. That you can also do like some track days if you want to. We've got the VWR springs, so I'm going to show you the before and afters on that. Obviously the Eibach anti-roll bars with the adjustment to go softer or harder, and then the Wavetrac LSD as well. And this car is a DSG, so it's got like the parking teeth on there. So we're going to get all these parts fitted. A little bit later on in the video, obviously we're going to show you the Racingline big brake kit. So see you in a little bit. Okay, so we've started to get some of the parts fitted. Whilst we've started to get the parts fitted, obviously the Racingline big brake kit's arrived. So stage 2 monoblock kit, so we'll run through some of the features. So obviously one of the biggest differences compared to the standard one, we've got the Racingline 4-piston monoblock caliper, whereas the standard caliper is a single piston sliding caliper. So this will improve sort of like brake response and braking feel, stuff like that. So there's gonna be a massive improvement. And then also you've got some upgraded brake pads that are already fitted inside here. And then we've got the 345 vented disc as well. The ventilation is a little bit better compared to the standard disc as well, as you can see all around here. And then we've got the mounting hardware, so we've got like the stainless steel braided brake lines, so that's going to improve the pedal feel, especially when you're pushing the pedal hard, like the brake lines aren't going to become sort of like spongy and balloon out. And then we've got the mounting hardware as well. So weight savings wise, standard brake kit is about 8.6 kilos and the Racingline brake kit is about 4.4, so it's almost like a 50% mass reduction at the front. So this combined with the Ultralegeras is going to make a massive difference to handling, as well as obviously like braking performance as well. Yeah, so we're going to get these all fitted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.